Let's explore. Good morning.
Morning.
Today we are leaving Tamworth and we are heading to
Tenterfield.
We've had a lovely visit to Tamworth. We've experienced the home of country music in Australia, and now we're off for more adventures. The town of Manillia, a bit of a one-horse town.
Not much here. Why didn't they paint them silos?
Maybe they will one day.
Yeah.
One-lane bridge. This is Split Rock Dam. Beautiful. We're going to go around and see if we can get a better view from the other side from the boat launch. Split Rock Dam was built in 1986. Main height 67 metres. Dam wall length is 484 metres. Full capacity
397,370 megalitres.
Maximum water depth 55 metres. Holy dooly. That's a fish cleaning station. Picnic tables. Few of them missing, a few of these barbecues around. So I guess at one point before what looks like green algae took over fish, but I wouldn't want to fish here right now. At the picnic area you'll also find a boat ramp, as we mentioned before, and coming in we noticed a campground that seemed to be closed at the moment, but at one point I'm sure was very popular. It was free to visit the dam wall lookout and the picnic area. Welcome to Barraba and some more silo art. I think we're going to have to do the trail.
Yeah, I think so.
We left Tamworth early this morning.
I've done about early.
Okay.
10 o'clock.
I had to do some editing, so it was a bit later than we wanted, but enjoy the Memeorial video that we edited in Tamworth. I'm going to show you the silo and head into town and have a look around, and probably lunch by now.
Yeah, I'd say so. It's nearly lunchtime.
And then we're heading to Tenterfield for the night. This silo art is of a water diviner. It was painted in 2019 during the height of the drought in New South Wales. Looking at the land around today, it's hard to believe that when this was painted there was nothing but dust. The silo art is on the southern end of town, and Barraba can be found 99 kilometres north of Tamworth on the old Manillia Road.
Yeah, we're at the Myall Creek Massacre Memorial.
In 1838, 28 women, children and elderly men were murdered. We were just reading that this is one of the only massacres in Australian history of Indigenous people, that some of those who inflicted the massacre and the carnage were actually arrested, tried, got off and retried and then found guilty, and 7 of the 11 people that were a part of the massacres were then executed. The main part of the memorial is a 500-metre walk with these standing stones along the way that tell the story of the massacre and life on the land, and it ends at a large memorial stone. Keep going if you want. With seeing our little friend, I hightailed it back to the car park, and my knight in shining armour followed closely behind.
I was keeping such an eye out. I knew it was prime snake country. Hey.
Well, the fact that they've got warnings everywhere.
Really?
They're on all the posts.
Yeah, it's perfect land for them, I guess.
Unfortunately, our trip along the memorial walk got cut short. I don't know if I've ever told you all this before, but I have a massive phobia of snakes, and I just saw a tail of a snake and the end of the body was huge, and yeah, As much as I trust God to keep me safe, I'm not going to risk meeting a snake. So we didn't do the full walk. What we saw of the walk, it was really well done. It tells the story not just of the massacre, but of the use and sharing of the land. It would have been nice to have got to the stone, but yeah, in this case, fear trumps everything else, or irrational phobias do. We've been driving for how long would you say, Phil? 40 minutes?
40 minutes, yeah.
And this wind farm has just been growing in front of us. It goes on for like ages. You reckon it's the biggest wind farm you've ever seen in Australia, don't you?
It's easily the biggest I've seen.
I reckon it's the biggest I've ever seen. We haven't seen that many wind farms in our life, and we look forward to seeing more, but this would be one of the biggest we've seen. Where would be the biggest windmill farm you've ever seen? Let us know in the comments below, and someone might add it to their wish list. We've been amazed all day, or actually for the last couple of days, how green everything was. And all of a sudden I looked up, it's still green, but it's definitely dried out a bit up here, hey Phil? It just looks more dry, yeah, it looks drier, and like the grass on the side of the roads is a bit more toughy looking rather than lush. But we've been having a lovely day. Changed all our plans, done totally different things to what we expected. And we're about 45 minutes from our final destination for the day. How you going, Phil?
Yeah, I'm good.
Enjoying the drive today?
Yeah, it's good driving today, good roads. A little bit of dirt road for a bit, but back on the highway now.
We've made it to Tenterfield.
We have.
Nice drive?
Yeah, good drive.
This is the view from the very top observatory, Stratham House. It is apparently the highest point in Tenterfield. See all the bollard and the cars parked up there? We actually missed coming in, and it was a bit funny because we couldn't get in because they had everything blocked. This gentleman down there in the bright yellow helped us in. We look forward to seeing more of Tenterfield in next week's video, but now we're heading to the pub for dinner. Where are we, Phil?
Tenterfield Telegraph Hotel.
The Telegraph. And what have you got there for
I've
dinner?
got a T-bone steak for you.
That's a very full plate.
What are you having here?
I have crumb cutlets with veggies, and I'm very hungry. I'm guessing that's good.
Good. Very good.
Day's End in Tenterfield. Tomorrow we'll get up and we'll explore historic Stratham House and this little town and do a bit of a drive before we head on to the coast. If you liked what you saw today, why not hit that like button? Hit the subscribe button and ring that little bell, and you'll be notified of our upcoming videos, including looking at Tenterfield. Our Northern New South Wales road trip is just beginning. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye. If you liked what you saw today and you want to see more, check out our Northern New South Wales playlist or find us on social. Until next time.